Hi, it's Diamond again, and here we can see another piece of the latest here, and this is the vintage. Yes, this is our vintage now, and because vintage, the technique is very difficult to make. So every time I get the vintage, they will has a little different. But I have to tell you guys, I must be very sure the latest quality is really bad. It's really beautiful and really better than before the latest I get, and I will get them. If the quality is not so well to compare my as latest, and I won't get them. So you can see the vintage here is different, but it's more bright. You can see, and more soft. Yeah, it's really beautiful. Okay, so this is the vintage now. Sorry, it's a vintage 10. Okay, and this time the customer she met in A5 regular. Okay, so I will start to make it, and she add a pen. She add two folio and a pen case to be the back. Okay, so also we will add on a button to be the closure. Okay, so I will make it now. See you guys later. Yes, guys, I'm back, and here is the vintage 10 A5 regular covers here, and you can see it's very bright. Yes, and very soft too. And after I make this cover, I just found something there. The customer should order only interior pocket, and I already cut two pockets on it and already saw it on. But I think that's maybe just the customer, she didn't understand the interior pocket is when you make order, that will just only one piece that you want to put in the front or want to put in the back. So, and some of you guys will just confused at that thing, that if you add the interior pocket, they will go to have two pockets on it. So that's fine. I already cut it and already sewing it on. So just give it for a surprise to the customer. That's fine to me. Okay, so you can see the vintage here, and she also add a pen case with the button. Yes, and you can see the elastic here is not so tight, because until her to put pants in it, it will become very strong and very tight. So I especially to leave a space to her. Yes. So and we can see this time the vintage 10 is more and more bright, and more and more shine, and I really love this feel. It's really like vintage. Yes, because vintage means just like the latest, if you use it more and more often, and it passes more and more years, and the later will just go into more deeper and more bright, because and more shiny, because every day you're using it, and the hands on the oil on your hands, because our body can automatically to have some oil on the hand and anywhere. So if you touch your layers every day, the layers just go to change by your using day by day. Okay, so I'm so happy that I got this vintage, just like we already make it for a long time. Yes, So this is the vintage day, and because you can see here, I didn't make the closure because she has made the button for the pancakes, but she didn't choose, she didn't make another buttons for the cover. So today so later I will send her an email, just ask her if she want a button closure or she want elastic closure. Okay, so later I will send to her. And Patricia, yes, this is Patricia. Yes, her name. I don't know how to read it correctly, but this is the vintage here, and wish you have to watch this video, and I will send you an email later. Okay, so here is the new vintage tent today. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye bye.